So I'm in Terry, and we're just putting the Polarex into position. And one of the things that I really love about Terry is that if you throttle down a bit, he's actually very good. He's actually very good at making quite good movements. So ideal for putting this 200 kilo pillar in place. So I'm going to go very slowly here. I don't want the pillar to start to pendulum. This is something that would be the most real pain to do if I was doing it by hand. Just lining it up with the concrete pad that I poured previously. Whoops. There we go. So I think we just put that down for seconds. There we go. Alright, so almost there. A few more little movements, just lift it a little tiny bit. And a little bit more. There we go. And we just go forward a little bit to the